Hello guys, so this is Mr. Afri and this is Afri Multimedia Studio, where we teach you everything basically you want to learn on social media. So today I'll be teaching you on how to run an effective ad on Instagram, even if you're not on Instagram. Yes, you heard me. Don't forget, Facebook is the one that owns Instagram. They own WhatsApp too. So even if you're not on Facebook, even if you're not on Instagram, you can still run an effective ad on Instagram. But today I'll be showing you how to run an effective ad on Instagram, even if you're not on Instagram, using your Facebook. Yeah, so one criteria is this: you must be on Facebook to be able to learn this process. That's one. Don't forget, we are into event coverage, we are into teaching, we are into tech and everything. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share. Make sure you ask us any question available. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive in. One, I have my Facebook here on my phone, and I want to share with you on the screen few steps you will take to make sure you arrive at anything you need to achieve. One, I won't waste your time. Let's dive into it. So I have my Facebook here. Now this is my page. So I want to go down and promote just a particular post. I want this post to actually run through Facebook and Instagram, or only on Instagram. Let's go without wasting much time. First thing is this: click on the post. What I'm sharing is promoting a post. This thing applies to any other thing you want to promote, whether a product or anything, as long as it's a post. Remember, Facebook would not say promote a video or promote a picture. It said promote a post. So as long as it's a post, you'll be able to do the same procedure. Let's follow. Now let's assume you know how to run an ad already, but you don't know that it's possible. You just come here, select all the niche, the goal, select everything you need to select. You know, whether you want to get a message or whatever, maybe a message, select a message. Is a message. So once you're able to select what you want to select everything you want to select. Let me show you the reason for the tutorial today. Let's go straight without wasting much time. Facebook will show you placement. That placement has to do with platforms. Where do you want this ad to go? The first one said Facebook is tick. Second one said Instagram, and third one said Messenger. So if you want to effectively run an ad on Instagram and you don't have an Instagram account, you can do that perfectly through here. So just make sure you select, remove the Messenger. If that's not your target, remove the Messenger. And you can see once you remove Messenger, Facebook now pops up for you to remove Facebook too. You can as well remove Facebook and make Instagram the only thing that is obtainable. So you can only run an ad through Instagram. You can run an ad effectively using Instagram, even when you're not on Instagram, because Facebook is the one that owns Instagram. They own Facebook and they still own WhatsApp. So in my next video, I'll still show you how you can actually run an effective ad on Facebook using your WhatsApp. Yes, your WhatsApp. So let's go down. Once you are there, you put the amount you want, and then how many days you want, and practically you click on your post, and that is it. So if you have any question you want to ask me more, if you don't know how to set all these things on your own, please go and check my previous video. You'll be able to see how to set all these things by yourself without anybody instructing you, without anybody telling you what to do. I place step by step on how this can be achieved without much stories, without no issues, nothing. Do you understand what I'm saying? So drop your questions, and if this tutorial help you, please subscribe. Please subscribe. I want to see you again. Tell me the video you want us to do. Thank you so much, and may you enjoy the benefit of knowing Mr. Afri. Bye. Please subscribe. Yes, subscribe. Have you subscribed? Bye.